Imagine this for a moment. Every single month, an extra $500 quietly lands in your bank account. You didn't record yourself. You didn't speak to a camera. You didn't show your face anywhere online. No viral dances. No Instagram fame. No TikTok pressure. Just quiet. Systems working silently in the background. Most people believe the only way to make money online today is by becoming a personality, being loud, being visible, being everywhere. But that's not true. There is another path, a quieter path. In this video, I'll walk you through 3 real side hustles that can realistically generate $500 per month or more, even if you value privacy and want to stay completely anonymous. These methods are proven in the US market, beginner-friendly, low cost to start, and most importantly, faceless. Stay until the end because the third side hustle is the least competitive, the most ignored, and has the strongest long-term potential. Let's begin. Print on demand is one of the simplest ways to make money online without showing your face. Here's how it works. You sell physical products like t-shirts, hoodies, mugs, tote bags, or posters. But you never touch the product. You don't buy inventory. You don't ship anything. You don't deal with warehouses. When someone places an order, a print company automatically prints your design and ships it directly to the customer. You keep the profit. Many people think print on demand is too saturated. That's only true if you sell generic designs. The real money is in niches, small, specific groups of people who feel emotionally connected to what you're selling. For example, nurses, truck drivers, dog owners of a specific breed, introverts, remote workers, or blue-collar workers. Simple text designs often outperform complex graphics. Phrases like, overworked nurse club. I fix things YouTube can't teach. Quiet people think louder. These designs work because people don't buy art. They buy identity. Let's look at realistic numbers. Average profit per item is around $8 to $12. To make $500 per month, you need about 50 sales. That's roughly 1 to 2 sales per day. Very achievable when you focus on one niche instead of everyone. To get started, you only need an Etsy or Shopify store, a print provider like Printify or Printful, and Canva. The free version is enough. No camera. No screen recording. No personal branding. Once your listings are live, they can generate income quietly in the background. The second side hustle is one of the most underrated online business models today. Selling digital templates. These are downloadable products that help people save time and reduce stress. Examples include budget spreadsheets, Notion planners, resume templates, small business trackers, and daily habit planners. You create the product once, and you sell it again and again. Here's why people buy templates. Most people don't want to build systems. They want shortcuts. If someone searches monthly budget spreadsheet, they're not browsing. They're ready to buy. That's high intent. Let's do the math. If your template costs $15, you only need about 34 sales per month to cross $500. That's just over 1 sale per day. Many creators sell multiple templates, which stacks income fast. You can sell on Etsy, Gumroad, or your own website. The tools are simple: Google Sheets or Notion, Canva, and a marketplace account. No inventory, no shipping, no face required. This side hustle is perfect for people who enjoy organizing, planning, and simplifying life for others. This third side hustle is the most powerful long-term option on this list, and almost nobody is talking about it. Building a niche blog with AI-assisted content. Before you skip this part, listen carefully. You're not writing novels. You're answering very specific questions. Questions like, how much emergency fund do freelancers need? Best credit cards for students. In Texas, can you negotiate medical bills in the US? These are low-competition, high-value search terms. There are two main ways this makes money: display ads and affiliate links. Once traffic comes in, the income becomes mostly passive. A small blog with just 10 to 20 high-quality articles can realistically earn $300 to $700 per month within 6 to 9 months. And the best part is completely faceless. No camera, no screen recording, no social media. You stay anonymous. This method is slower to start, but extremely stable long-term. Let's recap. If you want to make $500 per month without showing your face, you have 3 solid options: print on demand for niche audiences, digital templates for problem solvers, and niche blogging for long-term passive income. You don't need all 3. You only need one. Pick the one that fits your personality and commit to it for the next 90 days. If you want a step-by-step breakdown of any one of these side hustles, leave a comment below. Subscribe if you want more quiet, faceless income strategies. More videos